Hello and welcome to our video series on NJ Transfer. In this segment, you will learn how to use the Transfer Programs component to view the list of courses the four-year institution would like you to take at the community college for your intended major. To do this, you will start on the NJ Transfer homepage. You can access the Transfer Programs components through the link in the Features and Tools section or from the drop-down menu under Students located at the top of the page. Click on Transfer Programs and you will be asked to select the school you are transferring from and the four-year college or university you are interested in transferring to. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select Mercer County Community College as our transfer from institution and Montclair State University as our transfer to institution. Click Submit, which will take you to the Select Transfer Program for Display screen, where you will see a list of Montclair University's majors. From the list, select the major you're interested in. For example, I can choose chemistry, and when I click on it, I'm going to see what's called a transfer program. This is an ideal list of courses that Montclair would like you to take at the community college if you plan to be a chemistry major at Montclair. What you might notice is that many of the courses are listed using the community college course ID. In this case, it would be Mercer's ID. This makes it really easy for students when they're trying to plan out their schedule and select their courses. As you select your courses at the community college, it's important to consult both your college's curriculum requirements and NJ Transfer to make sure you're making good selections and choosing courses that meet the requirements for both your community college and the four-year school. Be sure to catch part 2 of this video to learn how to read and interpret a transfer program and what you can do if your community college does not appear to offer all of the courses on the list.